Toyota semi-automatic. Wow, no drive. Ah, what to do? Wasn't situation like this. Car, no drive, stop driving. I'm stuck on the middle of the world. Yes, look at this. Start the engine, okay. Oh, the light of the gearbox off, very good, but no drive. What to do? I'm in the middle of the world. How? I need to drive 1,000,000 kilometers. So now I will describe how to drive to your base, to home, to workshop. If you have situation like this, no, it's not situation all, but sometimes it's possible to drive, and we will use this super device, the wire, the bridge wire. In every Toyota MMT semi-automatic must be this. Look at this. You see? Like this. Yeah. Now I will describe what I will do. No, just to realize how it's working, okay? Look at this. What I have. I'm turn on ignition. The red cog light is off. Yes. I'm pushing the brake, press the brake. It's off. Okay, very good. And you see, I have the gears. But when I start the engine, it's not working. Something happens with clutch actuator or with the clutch, I don't know. But in this situation, we can drive. How? I will put the wire to the neutral sensor, and after that it's possible to start the engine in any gears. I will engage gears, first gear, then I will press the brake like this. I will press the brake and start the engine, and car will start drive on the first gear, and I will drive. If I will need to stop, I can move to the neutral, and it will on neutral, and turn off ignition and do this again. Now I will show how it looks. So this is the neutral sensor, black. I will remove connector and will put a bridge wire. So I pressed the brake and gas in same moment together and start the engine and start in direct drive. Yeah. And if I will need to stop, I will just put selector to the neutral. That's all. So I have red light. Okay, I put the neutral. Stop the car. Turn off the engine. And I'm waiting. Waiting. Oh, green light. Okay, I'm turn on the ignition. Put the gear. Gas and brake together, start the engine and the drive. Up, drive. Yes, I'm going. So I'm in it, all good, and look what I have now. Toyota Yaris manual. Yeah.